I'm so scared. Oh my god.
We're all together. We're doing this.
Jay, you're faithful.
You don't fucking him! You don't fucking him! Remember, you could be through the window.
Oh my god! Jeez. Oh! Run!
No way.
Well, I'm gonna turn around. Yep, he's right behind us. Oh my god! He's literally right next to you. Run! Run!
He's anally penetrating me.
He's touching me.
He's taking his big fingers at my bum.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I had it switched off.
Next to a tree.
I feel like I'm stuck. I'm looking up in the sky and I don't seem to be moving.
You've walked in a circle twice. You're at the water again. That's the second time I'm gonna watch you like
I don't want to tell. It's dangerous. Oh, where's everyone?
Following just me.
Oh no, he's following me. Ah!
Hello, baby.
I'm dead. I'm dead. No. I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. No. No. Oh my freaking god. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jay, did you die? Oh my god! No! I'm scared, I'm gonna... Oh my god! No! Why did I turn around? Why? Why me? Why?
What, behind you?
Yes.
Shit, I can't see him.
Wait, I think I'm stuck in a rock.
I'm back at the monkey people, and what we're doing?
I can't... I honestly can't tell if I'm stuck or not.
No, you're not. Okay, now you'll have to go round a little bit because of the rock.
Is that round enough? Ah! Oh my god! This is so intense. I'm actually gonna turn around. Oh, yep, he's there. He's actually behind us. Oh, now he's in front of us. Okay. Yeah, he can teleport.
Yeah. Well, I went off so it.
It's this way. What? Ah! I'm dead. I'm dead. Man down, man down. Man down. Man down. Man down. Man down. No, 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 no. Don't do this. No. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Don't kill me. I swear to god if you kill me, I'm gonna kill you. I'll get Scooby-Doo to headbutt you. Oh no, 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 no.
Yes, yes.
Oh my god. No, please don't die. Please don't die. No, that. Oh, I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
That's it, white noise.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Did you like this upload? If you did, then please be sure to check out my other uploads. Deadblock with my brother. There'll be some Minecraft soon. So yeah guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Peace!
Stop picking on the butt, you idiot!
Kieran, we're actually trapped. Not gonna lie. We're screwed.
No, we're not! Die!